Gosh. Hi everyone. Sorry, was a bit weird. Jesus Christ, man. So, recently I just got this place here. You can see a board from my previous video. It's pretty nice here. It's a really good virtual eye looking. I'm just going to turn off the TV here. You can tell there's actually a VCR and there's television. Doing Panasonic, it's pretty good. It's been working for quite a while.
It helps people achieve control of life.
So yeah, as you can see, I've modified it so
Humira can lower your ability to fight infections, including tuberculosis, serious, sometimes fatal infections and cancers. Lymphoma have happened and have blood, liver, and nervous system problems, serious allergic reactions, and new or worsening heart failure. Before treatment, get tested for TB. Tell your doctor if you've been to areas where certain fungal infections are common, and if you've had TB.
The local area. Oh my god, how many attention to that? Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. It's now down to 800 victims. Oh my god. What the hell? Holy shit. I gotta check the footage later on, like, what the fuck?
By a bunch of reasons. There you go. Turn off all the lights in your house. Yeah. Just don't answer the door.
Holy shit, this is crazy.
Erecting a dispenser.